Oh no. Where am I? Who are you?
You're in my kitchen. You just came out of nowhere.
Oh, well, I'm Numli, and I'm a half-elf sorceress!
A sorceress, huh? Well, that explains you popping in out of nowhere like that.
And this is my boyfriend, Luke, and this is my pet rat, Ratatouille. Don't worry, he's very well behaved and will not mess up your kitchen.
Well, hopefully the health inspector doesn't come. Then they'll shut me down for sure. Nobody likes undead in the kitchen. But my manners. I'm Velmoor, Chef Artificer.
What are you doing there?
Oh, why, I was just about to sit down and make some dinner. A nice light salad, a recipe that I learned from halflings while on my travels. It's called Lluirwood salad.
Ooh, those nuts look good. Let me have one. Yum. Ooh, that sounds so good. Can I stay for dinner? Lunch? Whatever time it is? And you know what I can do? I can make tea because I'm all out, except for those little drops that came out.
Well, of course you can join. A chef loves to share their creations with others. Maybe you could find something to make alongside of it.
Ooh, I'll use a recipe for tea from this book. How exciting. I will use the... let me find it. A potion of restoration, because who doesn't need to be restored? Luke?
Yes, that sounds delightful. You probably need some restoration after popping in the way you did.
I normally do the opposite of restoration, but I guess this can be interesting.
Don't worry about me. I'll just rummage through your cabinets and find what I need. You continue doing what you're doing. I'm so excited for that halfling salad. I wonder if my friend Cormac has had it before.
Yes, I'm sure you'll find everything you need over there.
Oh, perfect. You have one of these things. We're gonna need that to make this tea. Restoration potion!
So this is going to be a spinach salad with goat cheese, candied pecans, and dried cranberries. And it's going to be tossed in a homemade vinaigrette.
Okay, Ratatouille, go fetch the rest of the ingredients I need. Go, go.
Huh. That's a helpful little guy. I should really teach my homunculus to help in the kitchen.
Great job, Ratatouille. You collected everything we needed, which is a lemon, some butter pea flour powder, some blackberries, gin, and blackberry liqueur. Look, Luke, our teacup is so empty.
We need tea. It's the only happiness we have.
Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. The first thing we have to do to make our potion of restoration, or restoration tea, as I like to call it, is we have to muddle together 11 blackberries with some lemon juice and sugar. Sugar, it's my favorite thing. Maybe I should dual class as a bard. Never fear, I have another lemon, so I can make it 1.5 ounces. Must be exact when making restoration tea. Or potion. Mr. Artificer, am I muddling this right?
Yes, you're off to a good start. Just keep crushing.
What do you think, Luke? Am I muddling it right?
I don't know. I've never used such things before. I am confused.
You agree with the Artificer. Here, crush it. Okay, now that this is all muddled, it's time to add gin and butterfly pea flour powder. Try saying that 100 times fast. You can't. Can you, Luke?
I just did, but it was too fast for you all to hear.
Can you, Mr. Artificer?
Butterfly pea flour powder. Butterfly pea flour... no. Don't think I can do it.
Butterfly, pea powder, pea flower powder. Now it's time to add some ice. All right, let's use some magic. Ray of Frost. Perfect. Now we gotta shake it. Time to pour some tea and add 1 ounce of blackberry liqueur. Don't forget to garnish.
Now for the vinaigrette, I'm going to start with some shallots. Next I'm going to add in some sherry vinegar, some lemon juice, some Dijon mustard, some salt, and some pepper. And then I'm going to put in the olive oil, and I'm going to whisk that together. Now I saved some of the vinaigrette that I'm going to put on top, but for now let's add in the spinach, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. And I'm going to toss that around. And now I'm going to add in some of the nuts and cranberries, and crumple in some of the goat cheese. And I'm going to stir that in now too.
Hey, Mr. Artificer, how is that salad coming along?
Yes, tell us about this leafy nonsense.
Oh, just finishing up. Just gonna get it plated and we'll be ready to eat.
Well, while you finish up, I'm gonna try my restoration tea or potion.
Oh, she disappeared. Hello? Hello? Must have teleported out. No bother. I'll finish this up with some more cranberries and some more pecans and the drizzle of the reserved vinaigrette. Now let's see how she did with this. Okay, alright. Invisible? Oh, come on!
Oops, I did it again. He was cool. You should go check him out here. And remember, if you like this video, like and subscribe here. This place is nice.